It is 3:30 in the morning, and I just got a call that I'm going to Brazil. I was on standby since yesterday. So if you don't know what standby is, it's when you are you're just gonna be at home and you should be ready to be called out to do any flight. Like you could go to US, you could go to Asia or Europe, so you have to be always ready. Again, good morning. I just got up and trying to prepare to go now for my flight. Not much in a hurry because everything is set as I told you, and I just wrote down my flight details and everything, and I kind of want to go. I'm planning to go earlier to the operations center because I want to grab breakfast. I want to grab coffee to wake myself up, and probably something to bring during the flight since I didn't cook anything. What else? Usually on my standbys, my things are already set, like my luggage, my uniform, so I don't have to be running around, because there are times when they would call you and they would tell you, can you be here in 20 minutes or in like 1 hour or something. So I don't want to run around and be late. Obrigada. Now they go around and offer to everyone. And they have this thing. If you want more, then you can turn it to green. Me.
I'll put in this one.
I don't know if this is a dessert or what, but it's a deep fried banana and it's amazing. So I'm gonna show you Brazilian desserts, but I don't remember what they're called. Coconut, ice cream, whatever.
Can I now?
Yeah.
Oh, you want now?
Pineapple with cinnamon. Fries?
Grilled. It's digestive.
Okay, I want to try.
I was asking if it's
On the house. So I am waiting for my Uber. I just woke up an hour ago. And I'm not going to the city, but I'm going to the mall near the hotel so I can come home early later and sleep some more, because I wasn't able to sleep last night. We arrived in Brazil at 7 p.m. We went for dinner, came back at 10, and I was trying to sleep since 10 p.m. and finally I slept at like 8 a.m. in the morning. Can you imagine? And then I woke up at like 2, which is like an hour ago, and now I'm going to the mall. Like if you're in Brazil, you have to buy Havaianas. I think I'm gonna try this holiday candle. This is a dragon fruit drink. This is so good. Cheese inside. These are Brazilian like delicacies, sweets. Obrigado. I am at a Levi's store. This is so nice. Oh my god, this is so nice. But it's too long for me, but it's like super high waist. Back at the hotel. Now I'm just gonna pack my things and sleep some more, maybe like a few hours, and I'm gonna go back to base. I'm going to try the sweets that I bought. This one is banana coated with chocolate. Is it banana? She said it was banana. She said it's banana, but I don't think so. No, I'm not sure. No, it's not banana. Oh, but it's banana flavored. I thought it's like banana inside. But I think it's like banana flavored. That's what she meant. I don't know. This one is also banana flavored. Here is, I wanted to try these. It's maruya. It's called maruya, but it's passion fruit. It's good. It's passion fruit with coconut, like coconut meat. It's actually pretty good. But it's too sweet. They're too sweet, lots of sugar. And I'm probably just gonna share this with the crew during the flight. Hi. So I thought I'm gonna show you the things that I got from the mall here in Brazil. First off, I got some flip-flops from Havaianas. These are actually made in Brazil. It used to be very famous in the Philippines, and they're very expensive. Well, yeah, they're quite expensive in the Philippines, and here it's like 300 pesos, or like almost 400. Well, yeah, almost 400 pesos only. So I needed that because I don't have any flip-flops at home. And I bought jeans. I was supposed to buy just one jeans, but I couldn't resist because they were on sale and they're so gorgeous. They're so pretty. First, I got this one because I don't have any tattered jeans. They're like ripped a little bit. So yeah, I bought this one for, I don't know. I think, I don't know how much, but it was like 279 reals, Brazilian reals. And second one is this one. It's 501. So I really like Levi's 501s, and they're very hard to find. So I ended up buying like 3 jeans. It's super long for me because I'm quite short, but I like it. Even if I fold it in like this, it's still super nice, so why not? I don't know how much this one, but see, this was only 100. No, this is only 169 reals. And the third one, I got a black one. It's so nice, skinny jeans as well. But this one is ankle length. So, and I don't have any black ankle length jeans. And it's winter, so I thought, you know, I kind of need some jeans. Not 3, definitely not 3, but Levi's for me, they last very long, so I thought I'd just get while I have a chance. And this jeans, I've had this for like almost 5 years, and I'm still loving it. So the language that they use here in Brazil is Portuguese, but a lot of people knows how to speak Spanish. But I was surprised to find out today that, I know it's not my first time in Brazil, but I didn't notice it before, that not a lot of people knows how to speak English. So when I like entered the store, they would start talking to me in Portuguese, and I'd be like, sorry, I don't understand Portuguese, or like, sorry, I don't speak Portuguese. And then they'd be like, oh, sorry. Then they take out their phones and go to like this Google translator just to try to communicate with me, you know, like they type in like, how may I help you, or like, if you need anything, just let me know and you can type it here. And I thought that was really cute. That's really nice of them, you know. They do like extra things just to communicate. And they try, and then I try to like put in some Spanish words, try to like practice my Spanish. So at the end of the day, I manage with just knowing obrigado. This video was taken exactly a year ago when I had a layover in Sao Paulo and was able to go to the city for sightseeing. This place is called Beco de Batman. It's a popular tourist destination because of the graffiti that surrounds the street. When I first visited Sao Paulo, people I know who have been here actually warned me to be extra careful, as it is not the safest city to roam around in. And lucky for me, the people that I encountered were actually really nice and helpful. I have also come to learn that Brazil is home to the largest Japanese population outside of Japan. One of the crew who I flew with today is actually of Japanese descent, who is born and raised in Brazil.